Ever pondered how to construct your credit from scratch? It's an essential question and one that requires a bit of understanding. You see, credit is a bit like a financial passport. It opens doors, enabling you to make significant purchases like a house or a car. But it's not just about the big-ticket items. Your credit can also impact everyday aspects of life, from securing a rental agreement to landing that dream job. Credit is a measure of your financial trustworthiness, indicated by a 3-digit credit score. Lenders, landlords, even employers use this score to assess your reliability. Building a good credit history is akin to building a solid reputation. It's a reflection of your financial integrity and responsibility, and it's something that can take time and deliberate effort to establish. In the next few minutes, you will uncover practical steps to build your credit from scratch. So let's delve into the world of credit building, shall we? First, it is crucial to comprehend what a credit score is. A credit score, simply put, is a numerical representation of your creditworthiness, or how likely you are to repay borrowed money. It's calculated based on your credit history, which includes factors like your payment history, the amount of debt you have, the length of your credit history, the types of credit you use, and any new credit you've taken on. Credit scores typically range from 300 to 850. Generally, a score above 700 is considered good, and anything above 800 is exceptional. Conversely, a score below 600 might be seen as poor. Why does it matter? Well, your credit score can impact everything from the interest rates you're offered on loans and credit cards to your ability to rent an apartment or even get a job. So, knowing your credit score is the first step towards improving it. With a clear understanding of credit scores, it's time to learn how to build yours from scratch. Let's explore the steps to build a credit history that will make you a credible borrower in the eyes of lenders. The first step is to apply for a secured credit card or become an authorized user on someone else's card. A secured credit card is backed by a cash deposit you make up front. The deposit amount is usually the same as your credit limit. You use the card like any other credit card, and if you fail to pay your bill, the bank takes the deposit. Over time, if you use the card responsibly, the bank may upgrade you to a regular credit card. Alternatively, becoming an authorized user on a credit card would mean you can benefit from the primary cardholder's credit history. Secondly, always pay your bills on time. This includes not just your credit card bills, but also utilities, rent, and even student loans. Late payments can significantly impact your credit score negatively. Remember, your payment history makes up a whopping 35% of your credit score. Thirdly, maintain a low credit card balance. This is also known as your credit utilization ratio. It's recommended to keep it below 30%, so if your credit limit is $1,000, try to keep your balance below $300. The fourth step is to limit the number of credit applications. Each time you apply for credit, it generates a hard inquiry on your credit report, which can lower your score. It's important to apply for new credit sparingly. Lastly, regularly check your credit report for errors. Mistakes happen and they can be damaging if they're not caught. You can request a free copy of your credit report from each of the 3 major credit bureaus once a year. If you find errors, dispute them immediately. Following these steps will put you on the right path to building a strong credit history. Let's recap the key points we've discussed. We started by understanding that credit building is a crucial aspect of financial health. It's the key that unlocks many financial opportunities, from loans to mortgages, and even impacts your insurance premiums. Next, we delved into credit scores, shedding light on how these 3-digit numbers are a reflection of your financial reliability. We learned that they are calculated based on your payment history, credit utilization, credit history length, new credit, and your credit mix. Then we explored the steps to building credit from scratch. We discussed starting with a secured credit card or being an authorized user on someone else's card, paying your bills on time consistently, and maintaining a low credit balance. The impact of these actions on your financial future is profound. With a solid credit history, you'll be deemed trustworthy by lenders, paving the way for better interest rates and more financial opportunities. Remember, building credit doesn't happen overnight, but with persistence and discipline, you'll establish a solid credit history that will open many doors for you in the future.